Thought that you should know I've been going solo. Want my love, baby, earn it. Yeah, dancing on my own. See if you can follow. Got me feeling alive. Watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel.
In today's video, I'll be showcasing this newly built apartment containing 1 bedroom, bed sitters, and 2 bedroom.
Watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel. Freak my signs. Every time, let's be real, be real, be real. I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Eve Stories. Thank you for joining us today. So this is how the outside of the house looks like, and before we start, make sure to hit the subscription button
I do what I want. I want, I want, I want. Hear me.
as we get to the video.
I do what I want. I want, I want, I want. Hear me now. I do what I want. Are you ready now? 'Cause it won't be easy. Only get what you work for. Gotta go
So this is the first house we'll be looking at. It has a metal door,
all out.
gray metal door with a lock on it.
Whenever you see me, don't be wasting my time. Watch me go.
So we've started with the living room. So this is how the living room looks like. You can see the space of it, containing 1 window for lighting in the living room.
Want my love, baby, earn it. Yeah, dancing on my own. See if you can follow. Got me feeling alive. Watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel.
So from the living room, we'll be looking at the kitchen. It has an open kitchen,
Control, is this real?
and the fittings have not yet been completed. So the house is still under construction. That's why you don't have the top cabinets. But by now, by the time I'll be posting this video, the house will have been completed. Your bedroom, and next your balcony. So I'll be showcasing different units with different designs. So this is the first unit, and you can see the balcony is connected to the bedroom. Actually, all the balconies are on the bedroom side. Your open kitchen, then your washroom that has also not yet been completed.
Standing in the cold, cold rain, I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away. I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's
So we go to the second unit.
know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection if you never look in the mirror? Counting the days until you're gone, waiting for us to...
It's quite dusty because it's still under construction. You can see you don't have a toilet seat.
Setting fire to my brain, wondering how I'm to blame. You're the one who doesn't dream, so why are you always sleeping? I remember when you said you're afraid of what's ahead. What happened to ride or die?
Your balcony,
Setting fire to my
back to your bedroom.
brain, wondering how I'm to blame. You're the one who doesn't dream, so why are you always sleeping? I remember when you said you're afraid of what's ahead. What happened to ride or die? I asked and you just start crying.
Kitchen space,
How are you acting so surprised? Haven't you seen it in my eyes? Oh, I'm running.
So from here you can see you don't have a toilet seat and you don't have a
That you should know.
shower head.
I've been
It's going to be fixed. I'm sure it has been fixed by now.
I've been going solo. Want my love, baby, earn it. Yeah, dancing on my own. See if you can follow. Got me feeling alive. Watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel.
So we got to a different unit again. You can
Break the signs. Every time, let's be real, be real, be real. I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. I want, I want, I want. Hear me now, I do what I want. Are you ready now? 'Cause it won't be easy. Only get what you work for. Gotta go all out whenever you see me. Don't be wasting my time.
So what is going to be added is just a shower head.
Watch me go, lose control.
And also cabinet. So this is going to be enclosed.
Is this real, baby?
And you're going to have a top cabinet on top of that. So your balcony. Your kitchen space that is going to have cabinets on top and an enclosed cabinet at the bottom. So this is your living space. So this is the third house. That's your living space. Then your kitchen area. Your washroom. Combined washroom that contains bathroom and toilet in the same place. Then your bedroom. I love the fact that all the doors leading outside have a metal door with a lock on them. So as I've said earlier, you're going to have cabinets here. And also you're going to have a wardrobe fixed inside your bedroom. So now let's check the balcony. This is how the balcony looks like. The balcony of the other side of the building looks like. And from the looks of it, it looks smaller than the other one. Or what do you think? So the apartment is located in Kayole Junction along Kangundo.
Afraid, like a phoenix in the night, my soul will rise. From the darkness to the light, I feel alive. I'm a fire, burning bright, I'll never die. Like a phoenix in the night.
So the sizes of the house are just the same. I thought the balcony is bigger, but I can see this balcony is just the same size as the other balconies.
From the dust, I was born.
So you'll have a wardrobe fixed inside your bedroom. You'll also have a kitchen cabinet fixed inside your Bedsitters on the same apartment, which I've not showcased, is going for 13,000.
I feel alive. I'm a fire, burning bright, I'll never die. Like a phoenix in the night, I will survive. Oh, I will survive.
And the 2-bedroom is going for 18,000 Kenyan shillings.
All the pain, all the hurt, all the lessons I have learned, I am stronger now. I won't let me down. Oh, my enemies will
So this is your staircase.
think they won, but I'm here to stay. Destiny will overcome. No, I am not afraid.
And we are going to look at the rooftop.
Like a phoenix in the night, my soul will rise from the darkness
So here is your rooftop where you can hang your clothes here.
to the light. I feel alive.
And you have space on both sides.
Pain, all the hurt, all the lessons I have learned, I am stronger now. I won't let me down. Oh, my enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay. Destiny will overcome. No, I am not afraid. Like a phoenix in the night, my soul will rise from the darkness to the light. I feel alive. I'm a fire, burning bright, I'll never die. Like a phoenix in the night.
So as we go down the staircase, the house is located in Kayole Junction along Kangundo Road. 1-bedroom going for 16,000, 2-bedroom 18,000, seater 13,000.
Survive. Oh, I will survive.
And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and hit the subscription button. My name is Yvonne Angeline. See you in the next video.